Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to download your data on TikTok even if you're banned. So in one of the previous videos, I've told you how you can download TikTok itself after being banned from your country. Now, if you have downloaded TikTok that way, you'll get TikTok right here. So what you have to do is you have to open TikTok for that. And you have to open your profile and click here. And then you have to click settings and privacy. And then you have to click on account. And then you have to click on download your data. There's this option right here that you can download your data. And once when you do it, you can select either you have to download all of your data, or you can also select the format in which you have to download your data. And then you can request TikTok to allow you to download your data. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.